Greetings, friends and supporters of the JC Recreational Centre. An updated progress report to keep you informed on what your interest in the JC Centre is doing. We'll start with the sport court. As you can see, a lot more has been laid and a lot more tiles have been rescued from the bush. I've had people going out rescuing them and chopping through thorn bushes to reach them. But you can see we've got a large area of it done and we're down to just a few tiles left. Once we've finished the yellow, then we'll fill in all the gaps around the sides with that. Now, so again, at least we have a good service. Any updated service will have to come from a devotee of basketball sending us one. Now we'll move over to where I had a wooden service room that used to originally be the basketball storage room, but now it's actually been used as a treatment room. But if you look at it, you'll see that it actually has now been sealed with, I had a lot of different suggestions, but apparently this is supposed to be waterproof and it's sticky on one side and it glues right down. Till the next rainfall, we'll see how that works. But so far, we haven't had a big rainfall since. Now, the other area that was, we were having trouble with was where the columns had moved and cracked the concrete. So it was leaking right through and flooding downstairs when we had rain for 2-3 days after the storm. But as you can see now, it's all been sealed. So that's been a good thing too. Once again, it was a different man, that was a mason, and his specialty was stopping leaks in concrete. So this is his handiwork all through and around the various columns. His job next will be to do it inside. Run out, right? Okay, so once again, please show your friends the progress reports and let them see that any donations to the GoFundMe for the JC Recreational Centre will all be used wisely to make us once again of social significance in the island. And thank you for your love and support.